Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Science West of Iowa. This is my smoke detector that I haven't shown yet in any of my videos yet. Oh, hi Zula. So yeah, this is the, I don't know if you can see that, but it's the model 0914. If that's how you say it, 914. Again, 0. But yeah, we're going to put this in there. So if there's any way I can prop the camera up like this, and then put in the battery. Oh crap, I'm putting it in the wrong way. Hold on. Alright. Now that that's in, we can now go ahead and, you know what, we're going to take this out because we're not going to test it yet. We're actually going to do an overview of the alarm. So yeah, this here is the test button, aka the hush button. There's the thingamajigger. Whatever you want to call that button. It's also an LED, okay? This, here's back here. There's like all the information you need to know. Focus! Jesus. Jeez. There we go. You can read that there. Pause if you want to look at that. Intermittent chirp. Yeah. Whatever. Also, it contains 0.9 microcuries of Americanium 241 radioactive material, and it's distributed. Yeah, we don't even need to know that. So I'm going to prop the camera back up, and you're going to see the alarm. Or you're going to see the alarm. I don't know if you can see the alarm there. But, yeah. Pop this in. Again, you got to make sure positive side is on the inside, and the negative sign's on the outside. So you have to have it like this. Can't have it like this, or else it won't work. If you try to hold it down, and then realize you forgot to put in the battery the right way, you put that in, and it'll start beeping. So you have to reset the freaking thing by putting in the battery again. So here we go. Alright, we're good. Right. Now here's the alarm. Now we're going to test it in 3. Now you can see that. Alright. It's a puppy. Hi, Kimber. It's a puppy. And now, I'm going to test the alarm in 3. Now we're going to test the alarm in 3, 2, 1. And we're going to do it one more time. Ready? 3, 2, 1. It resonates on the grill, so we're actually going to move it to a different location. Set this on the ground there. We can just test it again in 3, 2, 1. Stop it, Kimber! We're not going to put this on the ground. We are actually going to move it to another location where a dog won't be licking. See, here you go. Hey, Bailey. Jesus Christ. I don't know where we're going to set this without a dog licking my arm. Hi, Kimber. I'll be right back. You know where the pause button is. It's freaking bright out here. Sorry about that. So, yeah, there's really no place to set this. So, yeah, where are we going to set this? We're actually going to set this down here. I'm going to test it in 3, 2, 1. What? Alright. Oh, crap, the battery. It fell out. Where did it go? Oh, let's hope the puppies didn't get to it. Crap, the battery is out. Hold on, where did it go? It dropped out. It obviously dropped. So, yeah. Hold on, guys, I'll be right back. Well, I found the battery. Luckily, they didn't tear it up. But it's probably going to short out now because you, Bailey, what do you think you're doing? Go. No. So, yeah, I'm cleaning off the battery right now. So, yeah. I'm debating on ending the video here. I don't know if I should, but yeah. You know what? We're not going to end it yet. Because I want to do at least one more test. So, ready? Hey! Back off, Kimber. Alright, ready? Alright. Now we're going to do another test in 3. You know what? We're just going to do it on here again. Sorry if it accidentally showed me. Okay. Ready? One more test. 3, 2, 1. And yes. We got the 9-volt now. We'll get one more look at the alarm before I end the video. Oh. Alright, and that's it.